Hello boys and girls, welcome to English class. Today is Tuesday, September 8, 2020. Today we are going to work with the contractions and negative form of the verb to be. Contractions. I am, the contraction is I'm. You are, the contraction is you're. We are, the contraction is we're. They are, the contraction is their. He is, the contraction is his. Here we have an example. You are a girl. You're a girl. Now, negative form. The negative form of the verb to be is I am not. You have to add not next to the verb to be. I am not, the contraction is I'm not. He is not, the contraction is he isn't. She is not, the contraction is she isn't. It is not, the contraction is it isn't. We are not, the contraction is we aren't. You are not, the contraction is you aren't. They are not, the contraction is they aren't. Example, we are not students. We aren't students. Next, verb to be. We have three forms of the verb to be. Am for I. I am, affirmative form. I am not, negative form. Is for he, she, and it. He is, affirmative form. He isn't, negative form. Are. We use are for they, you, and we. They are, affirmative form. They aren't, negative form. Contractions. I am, I'm. She is, she's. He is, his. It is, its. They are, they. We are, we're. You are, you're. Okay, next. On this exercise, you have to select the correct form of the verb to be in H1. Example, where we have a pronoun. Which form of the verb to be we are going to use here? Is. Where is he from? Letter B. We have he, and which form of the verb to be we are going to use for he? He is from Great Britain. Next. Where, and we have you. Which form of the verb to be we are going to use for you? Are. Where are you and Mark from? Now they are included, and you and Mark, in the question. So, which form of the verb to be and which form of the pronoun we are going to use? We're. We're from Canada. Where are you and Mark from? We're from Canada. Next. Which form of the verb to be we are going to use for Tom? Is or are? He is, right? Because Tom is a singular person. We use is. What about this answer? No, he is or no, he isn't? Is no, he isn't. Because he is an architect. Is Tom an engineer? No, he isn't. He is an architect. Next. Which form of the verb to be we are going to use for this question? Remember, we have these questions. How old are you? Which form of the verb to be we use? Are. When you answer your age, remember, we have to use the pronoun for yourself. So the correct answer is I'm. I'm 34. How old are you? I'm 34. Next. Which form of the verb to be we use for this picture? Is or are? What's his last name? What's his last name? It's Butowski. It's Butowski. Next. Which form of the verb to be we are going to use for these girls? Are, right? Because we have you. So the question is, are you and your friend Korean? Are you and your friend Korean? This question is about you and your friend. So how you have to answer? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Or no, we aren't. Which one? The correct form is no, we aren't, because you talk about you and your friend. Now, the correct answer here is we're Japanese. Are you and your friend Korean? No, we aren't. We're Japanese. Next. Okay, which form of the verb to be we are going to use for these guys? Are the guys Canadian? Are the guys Canadian? Yes, they are. Okay, you have to copy all the exercise in your notebook with the correct answer and send me to Servo Escolar. See you girls. Bye bye. Thank you.